There's a train over there. That is coming from Great Yarmouth. So I'm stopping at Brundle because I think supposed to, because the barriers are still up, aren't they? Yeah, the barriers are still up. Any minute now the crossing will go off. Any minute now. Because the train has literally stopped at Brundle. The barriers are now going down. That means these will go off in a minute. Any minute now. As soon as the barriers are down, these will come on. Here it is. Don't know if it's a double, because there's one down at Brundle Gardens. Double stag, so think I can hear one coming this way. No, it's not coming. I don't know if it's both coming at the same time or not. Here she is. One of the beautiful Class 755 424. And see you in a bit.